This is the short unboxing video of the attars sent by Mr. sangat.attar. So I have ordered two attars, the green and the brown majmua, and today I received it. Let's see how it is. So I have just opened the box. Let's see what is inside. This is the bill. This is the card, Attar Sonar Bangla. And this is, I believe, is the catalog, the product catalog. Now I will open this pack. So these are the two small beautiful bottles of majmua. This is how it looks. Majmua special. I think this is the one that contains the Roo Kevda. This is the other one. This is the green one, and this is the brown one. Now coming back, how these two majmua smell. Well, the brown majmua, it's very rich in kevda, so you can clearly smell the beautiful kevda in it. And the green majmua, it smells different. These two, although both of them are majmua, but they smell very different. This green one is on the darker side, and this one is on the more fresh side. Thank you for the beautiful attars.